It's not giving what it's supposed to give. This is not nobody's 180. Honey, look at the end. Look, somebody. Oh my gosh. We gonna work it out though. Okay, y'all, so I ghost bought this wig from Amazon. This is a sunburn wig, but it's their Amazon version. Okay, a lot of y'all asked me to do the differences between their website version, which is right here, you guys. You can see what they're talking about as far as price. You can see what they're talking about as far as density. You can see all that, right? But you know, these vendors have Amazon options too, okay? You can see a clear difference in price. This is the exact same wig, but it's not. And that's what we're going to talk about, y'all, because the price is lower. So it's going to be some differences. Let's just be honest about this. There's going to be some differences, okay? You have to determine if it's worth it for you. Okay, so let's get into this. These are the gifts that came with the package. You know, pretty basic sort of gifts. Nothing to get too excited about, but that's nice. They're going to get blessed with that. Now, first thing that I noticed was the plucking of this wig. Now the plucking looks nice. The part looks nice. They really put some time and effort into that, and that I appreciate. But there's something else. The lace is a little thick, okay? And that's going to lead me into my biggest issue with this wig, because this is supposed to be glueless, y'all. Let's not forget, okay? It's supposed to be glueless. It does have attributes. It has the adjustable elastic, which I love. That is supposed to help with the glueless factor, okay? Because you want it to be snatched up against the back of that head. So when you shout, your wig don't fly off and you don't end up on TikTok, okay? You don't want to do that. And God didn't call that for your life. So it does have the anti-slip grip cap. I like that. It's advertised as a 180 on Amazon. It's not, y'all. That's a 150 at best for kinky curly hair, okay? It's not 180% density. It's not an issue. Just tell the truth, shame the devil. Let me just throw it on so I can see what we're working with initially. Come on now. Bring that forehead down. You feel... Now, I'm proud of my 5 heads, so I don't bring my forehead down. Anyways, so this is where we are. It's a 6 by 4.75, which gives you a lot more space to cover as far as your parting, which is a good thing, you guys. That's a good thing. So we have, there is hope, but that lace is thick. It's a little thick, y'all. It's hard to go glueless with thick lace. It's a little thick. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. We gonna work it out though. We gonna work it out. Because here's the thing, y'all. There's a reason why I showed you the wig on the website and the wig on Amazon. I really want vendors to just start using as-is photos. Just show what the wig, the Amazon version looks like. And, you know, save the other pictures for your website. Because, ma'am, no ma'am. Ma'am, no ma'am. This lace is cool. It's decent. But it's not decent enough to be 100% glueless, in my opinion. Now, can you work it? Can you put that thing down, flip it, and reverse it? Yes, you can do that. And remember, y'all, you're paying less than the website price. So, bam. And the website price is not astronomical, y'all. The pricing is pretty decent even on the website. But this one, you about to see that 150 kick in, that it is clearly not a 180. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. But see, you got to prove stuff, folks. Let me let you look at this right here. Because this is not nobody's 180. Honey, look at the end. Look, somebody. Oh my gosh. Okay, you see it. We don't need to go any further. It's going to work out, y'all. It's going to work out because it's curly hair. Curly hair can be ignorant and not ignorant at the same time. It can be dense and not dense. It can be a teaspoon and a tablespoon all in one, okay? So it's going to work out. But we just got to be more upfront with these densities. And in my opinion, that is way closer to a 150 than it is to a 180. So, bam. That's that. That's what it is. Now, as far as the quality of the hair, the curls are beautiful. I love the color. The color is vibrant, it's popping. Those curls are curling. It's giving what it's supposed to give as far as the quality of the hair, okay? But I had to speak on that density, okay? Because I want you to know what you're purchasing, okay? Now look at that. It's wet still, but see, it still works. It still works, okay? It's cool for kinky curly hair. We just had to pray on that lace, because the lace is thick like I aspire to be, okay? I don't want my lace thick though, all right? I don't want my lace thick. I like my legs being thick, I like all that, but my lace, and it is a little bit, so it's not seamless, but I'm gonna show you what to do. Because I was like, the wig has potential, and keep in mind, you're paying a lot less. So, you might have to cut back a little bit of that lace. It is pre-cut. It's pre-cut, but to what degree of it? Okay, they did enough to get you started. They pre-cut a little bit and they went on to the house. That's what I'm saying to you, okay? So just trim just a little bit. That's gonna help make that line a little bit more seamless, okay? We're almost there, but I'm gonna show y'all. Let me just show you what I did in order to achieve the look I was going for. Now, it's all dry. Now look, it's pretty. You see? That's what it turns into. So 150 is not terrible when it comes to kinky curly hair, okay? Again, you just got to be upfront, all right? Now that it's dry, I'm going to apply. I still am not 100%, although I'm loving the curls and the color. And again, I paid a lot less for this than if I would have purchased it from the website. But you have to determine, maybe you want to purchase it from the website, okay? The website gives you a 150 and a 200% density option. It doesn't even give you 180 on the website, so I don't know what that's about. But look, it's too visible, y'all. It's too visible, in my opinion, to be glueless. So I went on and hit it with that spray, honey. I didn't feel like a melt, but I had to melt it. Some lace you just have to melt, okay? Everything that says glueless, it can be now. It can be. Now, I ain't telling you can't wear glue. You can. But you're going to have to put in a whole lot of work when you can just spray that thing down right there in the front. That's all. That's it. That's all, y'all. So maybe it's worth it to you. You have to make that decision. I'm just here to give y'all the facts, all right? Peace, love, light.